everyone, I'm in the laundry room of this hotel and I thought I'll just walk you guys through how the laundry room looks like and what all you have. There's a place where you can sit while you're doing your laundry. This is the washer and this is the dryer. Um, and you have also a ice machine where you can get ice cubes if you drink or if you like cold water or whatever. Then you have also like the soda dispenser here, so you can buy soda. So I don't drink soda, so this is not for me. I don't eat a lot of chocolates. It's not that I don't like it, but I don't, I try not to because my father is a diabetic, and I try to control myself before getting into a situation where I have to for sure not eat sweets. So those are the chips, and then you have chocolates here, and then you also have like mouth freshener, mints and all. So how does that work is like, if you see, there's like it tells you how much it's for and what the number is. So every product does have a number assigned. So for example, if I want to go for Lay's, which is 21, the product number is 21 and it's for $2. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come here and like press 21, put the coin, press 21, and then it's gonna dispense that. I haven't used this, but I've seen someone using it. So that's how it works. Coins matters because all these machines you need to have coins. If you don't have coins, you can go down to the reception, give them the bill, and they'll give you coins, right? So I had to go get the coins for doing my laundry. As this is a paid service in this hotel, you have to insert coins here, and if you see, it's 25 cents and $1. So if you have coins of 25 cents, you have to put that's like 8 cents, 8 coins, sorry. And then you have like if you have $1, you just need to put 2 coins. It tells you the different temperatures that you can wash your clothes on. And this is the washer. You just throw your clothes in with the detergent. You'll get detergent in different forms. You have liquid, you have powder, and you also have like small liquid balls. And this hotel gives you the small liquid balls. You throw your clothes in with the balls, and the instructions are there on the lid. Every machine will have a different set of instructions, so you just need to follow those. For this machine, I just had to throw my clothes in with the detergent, put my coins in here, and then if you see how many coins, it says $2, so I'm gonna put like $2 in here, and then I'm gonna select the temperature. So I usually go for normal hot because I feel that's the best. And then you press this button, which is supposed to say start, but the label is gone. Usually it takes 30 minutes for a wash. Once this is done, you will pull all the clothes from there and then come to this machine. Again, it's $2 for drying your clothes. You have to insert coins here the way you inserted in there. The instructions are mentioned up here, so all the machines will have instructions somewhere or the other. And then you put your clothes in, which is like a big machine, and it takes a good load. And then you have like dryer sheets that goes in with your clothes. But if you ask me, do I use dryer sheets? No, I don't. I think it's okay not to, because it is still drying my clothes. I know if you use dryer sheets, it's gonna smell nice, and it's gonna take away the threads away from your clothes if there's any and all. But right now I don't want to go for anything fancy. I'm on a budget. I want to stick to the basic as much as I can. So this is the room. It might look a little bit dirty, but that's okay. You're here just to wash your clothes, and you're not here to eat or something. So I'm like, I'm fine with that. There's a heater because you're in Canada and you need heater everywhere. This is the outside view from this laundry room, and that's the Hilton Hotel. And you have like a lot of cars parked. It's a commercial area. Again, you have the pre-owned car showrooms or mall kind of like place around this hotel. So yeah, so one piece of advice that I want to give you guys is, if you're coming to Canada or going to any other country, even if you know people there, if you have a family member there, if you have relatives there, I wouldn't say like family, but if you have relatives that you are going to stay with, and you have like a accommodation where you're gonna be there, where you're gonna be staying, don't just rely on one thing. Like, you might be thinking, oh, it's my relative, it's going to be fine and stuff like that. Things change, situations will be different. So what I'm going to strongly suggest, even if you're coming to your relatives and you have an accommodation, I would tell you to keep your options open. Always have backup plans, one or two backup plans, just in case. If if you have to move out and stay somewhere else, you have to have enough money so that you can actually rent a place, right? And I'm going to talk about renting a place in detail in my next video. How much money one would need, what kind of houses you can find, and how much one will cost, and depending on the areas also, and there are different options. So I'm going to talk about that in my next video. In this video, I'm like, because I was in a situation where I came here thinking that I do have a accommodation and I don't have to be bothered about accommodation, and I obviously didn't have enough money so that I can pay deposits or whatever for renting a place, which was a mistake, right?